here is the emulsifying wax. This is the emulsifying wax. Here we have the cetyl alcohol. Here we have our citric acid. Here we have our olive oil. Just going to use 15 ml for our olive oil. Now we're going to take it to double boiler. Here is our distilled water. So we're going to be heating it together as we do double boiling for both of them. How to do double boiling? This is our double boiling now. Mango butter going in. So this is how our double boiling is going. You can see melting. It's melting. This is the both our distilled water and our oil. Let's put some.
This is our cream. See, it's
Using my recorder.
very fluffy. Yeah. This is what will come out with end product.
I'll get it.
Did you see? You see how fluffy it looks?
Let's one of it.
It's so nice. This is what you get. Very beautiful.